Oh my word, what am I watching? I can't believe this, dude. When I was a kid, I was told that the Voortrekkers used to use anthills to bake, so I tried this once. Check this out. This is a video I made a long time ago. Hey, welcome guys, and thanks for choosing my channel. Today we're going to be doing something very different. This is a cooking video that I did for during the 2020 survival kind of mode, where I was thinking about how we would have to survive and cook if we ended up in like a Stone Age kind of scenario. So check this out.
Voortrekkers, what they would do is they used to use anthills to bake bread. Now, the cool thing about an anthill is it is full of all these tunnels. And you see, man, it rained the other day, and I went out early in the morning, and I was actually watched the ants reconstruct the top of the anthill. They're going to dig two holes, one underneath where you can build a fire, which will allow the heat and the smoke to travel through all of these little chim-chim-chim-chim-chim-chim-chim-chim-roos, and that will also smoke out the ants that are still there, if there are ants inside. So I'm not quite sure what the secrets and the master bakers used to do there. I'm sure they all got together and had a debate about which anthill to use. So they probably had a bunch of people getting together and a huge debate. So they probably had a mass debate. Did you just fall over? Let me show you what it looks like inside. So like Airwolf, you actually want to be inside. So what we're going to do is we're going to pack all these inside here, and then we'll build a fire, and then we'll put the bread in over here. Doggo! We'll put the bread in over there. Okay? And then that there is full of all these holes, all these little tunnels. You see there? Can you see through any of that? See through. Yeah. What we are going to do is we're going to bake a banana muffin bread. The banana muffin bread. We're going to do banana muffins. We're going to put that inside there. Okay. So I'm going to start the fire. Start a fire. Okay. So, as awesome as the Voortrekkers were, they didn't have ready bake mix. Now this is very straightforward. All the instructions are on the back here. Your mix is already good to go. That's got all your flour, your baking powder, and your sugar, everything. This is kind of like Nesquik or Milo. But don't drink it, otherwise you'll have a bun in the oven. So, let's look at the instructions. All the instructions are here. So, although the Voortrekkers were cool, they weren't as cool as this. So, or maybe they were. So what does it say here? 4 extra large eggs, 310 mils, which is 1.5 cups or 1.25 cups of cooking oil, and then 400 mils of water. Okay. So your cup, you're looking at pretty much 250 mils of water. So if you want to go 400, go 250, which is a cup, or go 200, and then go another 200. If you're scared about the mixture, go a little bit less. Go a bit less. Ooh, I'm all over the place today. Okay, they said 4 large eggs. Unfortunately, my eggs are small. So just like my sex life, I need to do a little bit more. And I do a little bit more. Let's see what that looks like from the bottom up. Whoop. Bottoms up. Bow, chicka, bow, wow. Bloop. Cool, then we beat that up. Mixy, mixy. But I think this way I'm going to get a little bit more body. Because nobody loves nobody like nobody loves you. You see that? You see how fluffy, and you can even hear that. Listen to that. Muffins are bad for you. So basically the eggs in the oil will make an emulsion. It's an emulsion. Listen to that. You hear the difference in the sound? So once again, like your sex life, don't overbeat it. Basically what I'm doing here is I'm breaking all of the rules to show you how simple this is. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Nah. Like Bobby Skinstad. Oh, look at that. Wow, this is getting so thick. Look at that, man. Look at that. Slimmer than I thought. Too thick. I need you over here. Come check. Oh. See, that's why I don't actually touch the fleshy part of the banana. Off the magic dragon. Yada 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 yada. It's magic time. We're randomly just gonna Cameroon with a hammeroon. Am I making a mess? Yes, sir. Why am I making a mess? Well, sir, I want to show you the versatility. Oh. Blech, blech, blech. Look at that, man. Foot trackers for life. Okay. We're gonna put that in the oven. Oh. So you want to put a lid on that so that the sand doesn't fall inside. Okay, let's see what that looks like. Oh, okay, that's hot. Oh, banana.
Well, there we go, guys. I hope you enjoyed that video. The secret to that is just keeping a lid on whatever you put in there. Whether you do a roast chicken, you can wrap a roast chicken or some fish in foil. So if you ever go fishing and it's raining or something like that and you need a bit of shelter, try and make one of these ovens. I really miss this dog, man. It was my neighbor's dog when I was living on the farm. It was such a cool dog, man. It was so well behaved as well. So yeah, so thank you for letting me share that video with you, and thank you for allowing me to remember this awesome little doggo. Cool, guys. Thank you. Watch one of our other videos. Bye bye now. Bye bye. Wow, man. Well, if you're still awake after that, man, the music and the voice that I used in that one was way too just tranquil, man. We need a bit of a Gordon Ramsay, "You're an idiot" sandwich to keep us awake in that one. But hope you enjoyed the concept. Check out some other videos, guys. We've even got some vegan stuff if you're really into some awesome, boring, entertaining videos.